November soybeans were sharply higher and following through from yesterday's big outside sweeping reversal higher. Yesterday was also a big USDA quarterly grain stocks report. It might be one of the last reports we see from the USDA for a while, but it made a new recent low after the report and then turned around and closed well above the previous day's high. That is a lot of times looked at as a fairly positive technical signal on a chart. And lo and behold, the soybeans did follow through higher once again here today. Now, that quarterly grain stocks report, I'm going to say was fairly neutral or within expectations. It was a little bit on the friendly side, however, garnered a little bit of a negative report or negative reaction. I think that negative reaction was kind of spillover reaction for what was happening over in the corn. Corn had actually a rather bearish report. But what continues to be a concern for the soybean market as a whole is a lack of export sales to China. We have zero export sales on the books or export sales log for this time of year. That is unheard of, and so the market has been listening very closely to see if there's any progress with that. Without export sales reports for the near future or foreseeable future, it's tough to know if we're actually going to know if China is in here buying or not. But the reason for the reversal yesterday and the follow-through strength today is because President Trump will be talking to Chinese President Xi in 4 weeks at the APEC summit in South Korea. And he said explicitly that he wants to talk to China about our soybeans. And that really gave the soybean market a boost. So lots of things to be watching out here in the soybean market. So stay tuned, everybody, and you stay safe.